Hey everyone, well, Lance Fans of Gaming. We're not going to be looking at the Patreon, still going to be part 7, be called that way. We'll be looking at some Black Friday sales on Myminifactory that'll be ending in December 3rd. On the files and stuff that you guys are looking for, see some deals that are happening right now at Myminifactory. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and let's get into it. So, we got a lot of stuff that's on sale. We got stuff for 50%. If you want the Fat Dragon, I think I did paint it. I did paint it on this channel for it. You can get the Fat Dragon, Roper, a big boat for 40% off. That's actually a pretty nice boat. I want to see if we can. Oh, no. No. Do I have to click on it? I don't want to click on it. I just want to, you know, see it. So it's like 12 bucks for a nice big ship. This one as well as for like 10.99, 11 bucks. You can get like a whole dungeon classic. I don't know. This is I think yeah, this is from Myminifactory. One's character looked like AD&D style stuff. If you haven't got it, from I think it was Dragon Tapper Lodge that made this. But yeah, I want to see what else you guys got. So deliver. Oh, this is tribe. So I'll just leave that there alone. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff. Looks like it, and it feels like I think Dungeon Classic is part of Dragon Tapper, a lodge. We got the Witch Guild, Koyoshido, Dragon, Mind Flayers as well from Glad. Thieves Guild, a lot of stuff you can see. You can get a TIE Fighter if you want, or you need the 8 legs miniature, getting Sister Sword Toss, some Nurgles, Orc. Actually, that looks pretty damn cool right there. If you want to get some prints for your orcs. Because a lot of times, people use this hobby, just to, play with other friends and paint. I use mostly paint. I usually majority play Dungeons and Dragons. I rarely play 40k, but I do like painting them. They were part of my childhood, and one day I will play with them. We got Beastarium, that's on sale as well, 50% off. A lot of good stuff. One page, you can get your Age of Sigmar or 40k, and also your old world stuff as well that they can help you out with. Technotron from My Mini Mayhem. You can also go to Monsters Encounter to get your old world or Age of Sigmar style proxies for your things as well, because Games Workshop is ridiculous expensive. It's a lot cheaper to print them. You can print them how many times you really want. So RN Studio got some random assortment of stuff for your game. If you're into like anime style, cyberpunk style, or D&D, they got all of that covered here as well. We got Gamak that basically does 40k and Age of Sigmar and Old World stuff as well. There is a lot of stuff. Artisan Guild for D&D as well, 50% off. Got Crippling God Foundry as well for D&D and 40k and Cyberpunk stuff. Atlas Forge is another proxy for Warhammer as well. And we got Primal Collectible for D&D. Campy Design for another 40k stuff as well. Creatures Caster. I think it's mostly for D&D. Rescale Miniature, more for D&D as well. Tarask, 25 bucks. Belscar, they do 40k proxies and stuff like that, and also mostly Dungeons and Dragons. Project Mobius for terrain stuff that you need for Cyberpunk or 40k, if you're into that as well. A lot of stuff that you guys can go look around. I'm gonna scroll through stuff and see if There's stuff I'm really interested in. You know, my lodge, Tapper's Lodge as well. You know, you can 3D print your own stuff that you might need, like a painting rack or a book holder and stuff like that. Puzzles. They got some loot. They got figure stuff as well. That's kind of cool. Gift fighter, Lizelle. See how that looks. I'm just, putting stuff on the side so that, I might want to pick it up. I don't know. Tiles from the crypt. That looks good for terrain pieces as well. We got Fleshcraft Studio. That looks kind of cool. That's actually good for the Age of Sigmar one. I forgot that Lich skeleton that was in Age of Sigmar that they have this in as well. Um, yeah, I'm just going down. Heroes Infinite. Here's Nurgle. If you need Nurgle and stuff that you really need for your game, we looked through a lot of the stuff and they have a lot of cool stuff as well. Go get it. See Siphon Publishing. If you need your Spelljammer ships, Puppet War Miniature, another proxy. You have a Ninja Turtle orc van and stuff like that as well. Let's see what else we got here. Asgard Rising, if you're into Viking style miniatures. Death and Tiles one as well. Um, hmm, that looks kind of cool. Looks like Arthas. That looks pretty cool right there as well. Yeah, a lot of crap. You might not be able to buy a lot of stuff, but you can print some pretty cool, neat stuff. You got some Slanesh Tailkeepers stuff. You got some Slanesh stuff that you can actually buy. This one has a Tyranid hand and stuff like that. Let's see here. What else we got? We got Tired World Studio. Another looks like terrain pieces as well. They do buildings. Claymon miniatures. They got some pretty cool stuff. Another D&D stuff with big old biddies. I like big old biddies. The Beholders miniatures as well. A lot of stuff you could do. Save hold. There's like anime style miniatures as well. Tiefling, epic and stuff. If you're interested. Well, that's actually pretty cool. That'll be a cool thing to print, but I feel like it's gonna be freaking huge. And you got, that comes in layers and stuff. So that's actually pretty cool. You can take them apart, put that on the side. I might not buy it because Christmas is freaking around the corner. I have no money to buy a lot of other things. You got some cat girl stuff for proxies for 40K. Let's see here. What was this? Another 40K proxy. That's probably for a salamander because a dragon's head. Dustin. One as well. Wow, that's got a lot more stuff that they did last time during the other sale that they did. Yeah. Rowan Art Workshop. That's pretty cool. The figures. We should have looked at that as already as well. Iron Fox miniatures. Yeah, my mini games. If you guys are interested on that Ray stuff that I have, they're on sale right now. So go get them. Gauze minis as well. Yeah, a lot of cool stuff that you probably would. Oh, Dungeons and Dreadnoughts. Yeah, here's some stuff. You want some tile or your battle tech stuff as well. If you need some big ass mech for your shit. Well, anyhow, I'm gonna put the link for this down. If you guys are interested, please subscribe, like, and share. And we will. And hopefully, you guys do enjoy it. Get it? You got till December 3rd. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.